welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain inverse proportion, already direct proportion. Based on that, sums also completed in exercise 10.1. Now, I am going to explain inverse proportion. Based on this topic, you have sums in exercise 10.2. Okay, so listen carefully. What is inverse proportion? First, listen the definition. If one quantity is increasing, then the other quantity will decreases. Okay. If first quantity increases, the second quantity will decrease. If the first quantity decreases, the second quantity will increase. So, we can call these two quantities are in inverse proportion. Suppose one example. Suppose some daily workers building some wall. Okay, one wall they are building. Okay, now here suppose I am taking here number of workers, number of how many days it will require, number of days to construct a wall. Suppose number of workers 36 workers are constructing or building a wall in 12 days. In 12 days. Okay. Now, one more. Suppose 18 workers they build a wall in 24 days. Suppose. Next, suppose 9 workers build a wall in 48 days. Suppose. Okay, here this is one quantity, this is other quantity. Let me take this is the first quantity, let me take this is the second quantity. Okay, see number of workers are decreasing here. Here 36, here 18, here 9. Here number of days are increasing. See 12, 24, 48. Right? Now here first quantity is increasing. Sorry, first quantity is decreasing. Right? Now second quantity is increasing. What is the meaning of this? These two quantities are in inverse proportion. These two quantities are in inverse proportion. I hope you understand this example. Okay. Now general example. Suppose two quantities are there. First two quantities are there. Let the quantities x and y or inverse proportion then we can write x is indirectly proportional to y. If you remove the proportional symbol, then it will becomes x is equals to k by y. Proportionality constant, let us take k. Okay. Now which implies, now do the cross multiplication, xy is equal to 1 into k. So xy is equal to k. Xy is equals to k. Now let the quantities, let the values, suppose, let the values y1 and y2 corresponding value of y, okay, and let the values x1 and x2 corresponding value of x. Okay. Now, if these two quantities are inverse proportion, then we can write the formula x1, here see xy is equal to k now, so here x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Okay, now you can write x values one side, y values means terms one side. If you write, then it will becomes here x1, here only x1. Transpose of multiplication will give division. So x1 by x2 is equals to here y2 as it is. Now transpose of multiplication will give division. Okay. So indirect means inverse proportion formula is x1 by x2 is equal to y2 by y1. If they will give two quantities, two values, x1 y1 and x2 x1 y1 x2 y2, if they will give, we should use this formula. Okay, and what I told you, definition inverse proportion, that also once I am writing. If one quantity increase, then the other quantity will decrease, and vice versa, in the sense reverse. If one quantity increase means other quantity will decrease, I said no. So if one quantity decrease means the other quantity will increase, that is called vice versa. Okay, so this is the definition of inverse proportion, and this is the formula of inverse proportion. Okay, based on this formula you have sums in next exercise 10.2. okay, next video I will explain sums from exercise 10.2. okay, I hope you understood. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me. Thank you. Have a nice day.